Hi, welcome you all to the next session of marketing management, that is SEM 1. In this session, we will be dealing with the second last topic of your session, that means your semester, that is research design, definition, characteristics, and types. Clear to it? Okay, let's move further. What is research design? Research design is the framework of research methods and technique chosen by a researcher. रिसर्च डिज़ाइन एक फ्रेमवर्क है, एक टेक्निक है जो एक रिसर्चर चूज़ करता है अपने बिजनेस के मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी के लिए, रिसर्च करने के लिए। जब आप कोई टेक्निक, कोई मेथड यूज़ करते हो, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज रिसर्च डिज़ाइन. द डिज़ाइन अलाउज द रिसर्चर टू hone in on research method that are suitable for the subject matter and set up the studies upon for the success. रिसर्च मेथड या रिसर्च डिज़ाइन क्या करता है? रिसर्चर को हेल्प करता है, बूस्ट करता है कि वो किस डायरेक्शन में आपके रिसर्च की स्टडी करे और उसका सक्सेस कैसे मिलाए. द डिज़ाइन ऑफ अ रिसर्च टॉपिक explains the type of research, semi experimental semi experimental review, and also is subtypes, that is experimental design, research problems, research case study, etc. There are three main types of research design: data collection, measurement, and analysis. The type of research problem an organization is facing will determine the research design and vice versa. रिसर्च डिज़ाइन जो है, जो टेक्निक है, जो एक रिसर्चर अडॉप्ट करेगा अपने बिजनेस के प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए, वो डिपेंड करता है कि आपके बिजनेस की प्रॉब्लम क्या है, कैसी प्रॉब्लम है, लार्ज, स्मॉल, एक्सपेरिमेंटल, कैसी प्रॉब्लम है. उस प्रॉब्लम पे रिसर्चर अपनी रिसर्च डिज़ाइन को फ्रेम करेगा. Clear to it? The design phase of a study determines which tool to be used and how they are used. और जो डिज़ाइन जैसी रहेगी, पहले बात तो प्रॉब्लम पे डिपेंड डिज़ाइन रहेगा, और डिज़ाइन जैसे रहेगा वैसे टूल्स कैसे यूज़ करना है, कब यूज़ करना है, ये डिटरमाइन किया जाता है. Okay, and impactful research design usually create a minimum bias in data and increases trust in the accuracy of collected data. A design that produces the least margin of error is experimental research, in generally considered as the deserved outcome. The essential elements of the research design are, the essential elements क्या है research design के? First है accurate purpose statement, technique to be implemented for collecting and analyzing research, the method applied for analyzing collected details, type of research methodology, probable objective for research, setting for the research study, then timeline and measurement of analysis. Proper research design sets your study up for success. Successful research studies provides insight that are accurate and unbased. You will need to create a survey that you meets all the main characteristics of a design. There are 4 key characteristics of a research design. रिसर्च डिज़ाइन के 4 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है. फर्स्ट वाला है neutrality. When you set up your study, you may have to make assumptions about the data you expect to collect. The result projected in the research design should be free from bias and rational. Understand options about the final evaluation score and conclusions from multiple individuals, and consider those who agree with the derived results. Next one is reliability. With regular conduct research, the researcher involves expert similar results every time. Your design should indicate how to form research questions to ensure the standard of result. You will only be able to reach the expected result if your design is reliable. Next one है validity. There are multiple measuring tools available. However, the he next one is reliability. With regular conducted research, the researcher involves expect similar result every time. Your design should indicate how to form research question to ensure the standard of result. You will only be able to reach the expected result if your design is reliable. Next characteristics is validity. There are multiple measuring tools available. However, the only correct measuring tools are those which helps a researcher in gagging results according to the objective of the research. The questionnaire developed from this design will be valid. Next characteristics है generalization. Generalization means the outcome of your design should apply to a population and not just a restricted sample. A generalization design implies that your survey can be conducted on a part of a population with similar accuracy. The above factors affect the way respondents answer. The research questions and so all the above characteristics should be balanced in a good design. A researcher must have a clear understanding of various types of research design to select which mode to implement for a study. Like research itself, the design of your study can be broadly classified into quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative research design. Quantitative research determines the relationship between collect, collected data and observation based on mathematical calculation. Theories related to naturally existing phenomenon can be proved or disproved using statistical method. Researchers rely on quantitative research design method that concludes why a particular theory exists along with what respondents have to say about it. Next one है qualitative research design. Research design Qualitative research design is for cases where statistical conclusions to collect actionable insight and essential numbers provided a better perspective to make critical business decisions. Quantitative research design methods are necessary for the growth of any organization. Insight drawn from hard numerical data and analysis provide to be highly effective when making decisions related to the future of the business. You can further break down the types of research design into five categories. First one है descriptive research design. Descriptive research design is a descriptive design. A researcher is solely interested in describing the situation or case under the research study. It is a thorough based design mentioned which is created by gathering, analyzing and presenting collected data. This lo- this all this all allows a researcher to provide insight into the why and how of research. De- Description design helps other better understand the need for the researcher. If the problem stand is not cleared, you can conduct explanatory research. Experimental research design establishes a relationship between the cause and effect of a situation. It is a causal design where one observes the impact caused by the independent variables on the dependent variables. For example, one monitor the influence of an independent variable such as price on a dependent variable such as customer satisfaction or brand loyalty. It is a de- highly practical research designed method and it contributes to solve a problem at hand. The independent variables are manipulated to monitor the change it has on the dependent variable. It is often used in social science to observe human behavior by analyzing two groups. Researchers can have participants change their action and study how the people around them react, gain and better understanding of social psychology. Correlated correlational research design. Correlated research is an non-experimental research design technique that helps researcher establish a relationship between two closely connected variables. This type of research requires two different groups. There is no assumption while evaluating a relationship between two different variables, and statistical analysis technique calculate the relationship between them. A correlation coefficient determines the correlation between two variables whose variable range between 1 and plus 1. If the correlation coefficient is towards plus 1, it indicates a positive relationship between the variables, and minus 1 means a negative relationship between two variables. Next one is diagnostic research design. A diagnostic research design, the researcher is looking to evaluate the underlying cause of a specific topic or a phenomenon. This method helps one learn more about the factors that create troublesome situation. This design have three parts of the research, that is inceptions of the issue, diagnosis of the issue, solution of the issue. Next है explanatory research design. Explanatory research design uses a researcher's idea and thoughts on a subject to further explore the theories. The research explains unexplored aspect of a subject and detailed about what, how and why of the research question. Clear to it? What is the research design? Research design is nothing but a technique what the researcher used to solve its research problem. Clear to it? And we studied about the characteristic that research design should be reliable, generalized, then it has to be a neutral, then experimental. Clear to it? Okay. Then validity होना चाहिए उसका. Cleared है? Okay. Thank you all. Thank you. If you have any doubts and queries, please pin me on the email ID provided to you by the college. Thank you all. Be at home. Be safe.